How to schedule messages on Instagram. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can schedule your messages on Instagram DM. Firstly, open App Store or Play Store on your device and search for Instagram. If you see any update option available, then update it. If not, then go to your home page and open Instagram app. On Instagram, make sure you are logged in to your account. Go to your home page, then navigate to your chat section. Now from the chat section, tap on the account for which you would like to schedule the message. Here on the messaging bar, type in your message. After you have typed in all the message that you would like to send, after that tap and hold on the send icon. This will be at the right side of your messaging box. Now this kind of schedule message menu will open. On this menu, you can set up your time, you can set up your week name, you can also set up your date, as well as you can set up your time. After that, click on send today at the bottom. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.